Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In my previous videos, I showed you how to make flowers, but I never mentioned how to turn the flowers into a baby headband like this. So in this video, I will show you how to make a baby headband using my flower tutorials. Before we start, consider pressing the subscribe button so you won't miss any updates. These are the materials we need to make this headband. I have made a tutorial for this tulle flower and you can click the link here. For this little fabric rose, you can check it here. For this tiny flower, you can watch this tutorial here. And we are going to need some lace, stamens or pistils, an elastic band, and a piece of felt fabric. And we are going to need some tools like hot glue gun, scissors, and pliers. First, we will glue these two little flowers together. Then, attach this tulle fabric. Next, cut the stamens with pliers. And put the stamens here. Glue this lace together like this. Attach the flowers on the lace. And we are going to attach the elastic band to the flowers. and our headband is finished. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.